Other locations impacted by the storm include Mount La Crosse, The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern La Crosse County in west central Wisconsin, northwestern Vernon County in southwestern Wisconsin, southwestern Monroe County in west central Wisconsin, until 3 p.m. At 2:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stoddard, or 8 miles southeast of La Crosse, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Coon Valley around 2:25 p.m. Westby around 2:40 p.m. Cashton around 2:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Mount La Crosse, County Roads G&H, Brinkman Ridge, Jersey Valley County Park, St. Mary's, Portland, and south side of La Crosse. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following county: Houston, Minnesota, and the following counties in Wisconsin: La Crosse, Monroe, and Vernon. Hazard: wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in subtly higher waves. Locations impacted include Great Peconic Bay and Little Peconic Bay. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
This land, God.
The National Weather Service in Midland, Odessa has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Jeff Davis County in southwestern Texas until 6 p.m. Central Time. At 2:56 p.m. Central Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Davis and Star Mountain. This includes the following streams and drainages: Black Creek, Senega Creek, Horse Thief Creek, Big Aguja Canyon, Lippia Creek, Horse Thief Canyon, Barilla Draw, and Musquis Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Highs in the lower 80s. Light and very... The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Raleigh County in southeastern West Virginia, central Logan County in southern West Virginia, southern Boone County in central West Virginia, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Van, or 8 miles southeast of Madison, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Logan, Chief Logan State, Van, Wharton, Bald Knob, Amherst Dale Robinette, Mount Gay Shamrock, West Logan, Mitchell Heights, Naoma, Arnett, Stickney, Blair, Sharples, Jeffrey, Printer, and Amherst Dale Robin. This includes Route 119 near mile marker 33, in between mile markers 41 and 45.